coronavirus deaths tonight stands as a grim new measure of national horror as the pandemic has now taken more lives than this country lost on 9/11. The number of COVID deaths rising above 3,700. And as you can see, not a corner of this country is unaffected tonight. The running tally of U.S. infections since the start of the outbreak, at least 185,000. As in the hardest hit places, the virus leapfrogs a medical system struggling to keep up. Our team has it all covered, and we begin with Miguel Almaguer.
Tonight, with most of the nation, roughly 3 in every 4 Americans, being told to stay at home, our country has reached another grim milestone. Over 3,600 lives lost in a battle just beginning. States big and small reporting a steady rise in confirmed cases of the coronavirus. New York accounting for many of the deaths, where the healthcare system is overrun and undermanned.
We are planning now for the battle at the top of the mountain. That's what we are doing. We're gathering equipment that we don't need today because today is not the day of the battle.
As New York prepares for another surge in patients, the call for help stretches far beyond the Empire State. Aboard the USS Theodore Roosevelt, the commanding officer says his entire crew, more than 5,000 sailors, need to be isolated after more than 100 tested positive for the coronavirus. Overnight in Georgia, another surge in confirmed cases, as cities like Atlanta warn of an impending crisis. But it's smaller communities that could take the biggest hit. Our Blaine Alexander is in Albany.
Nearly 3 hours south of Atlanta, this small county has seen more coronavirus deaths than anywhere in the state, even areas with more than 10 times the population.
With hundreds of confirmed cases in rural towns where resources are limited, there is growing concern states like Florida, who have not issued stay-at-home mandates, could become the next hotspots. In parts of Washington, Colorado, and California, where mandates to keep away from crowds have been in place for weeks, preliminary data shows the virus is spreading at a slower rate.
And we are in this